Oh, hi everybody. Can I request everybody else to turn on their cameras just to show your pretty faces? We are going to run a beauty contest very soon. नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. There's no beauty contest. You all just I want to see Veer Rathod has come, Shruti has come, Vaishnavi. Wow, lots of people. This is the power of technology. कहीं पे भी बैठ के you can see so many people sitting at different places. Okay. And can I request all of you to also unmute yourself now? ठीक है? Now, are you all with me here? Say a yes.
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 I heard only 3 yeses. There are 25
Yes.
people. Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, unmute yourself, all of you, and tell me, are you with me?
Yes.
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 Hello. I heard 7 yeses now. Once again, unmute. All of you unmute yourself and tell me, are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. अभी एक काम करते हैं छोटा सा. So I think all of you are in a position in life where you are dreaming to reach somewhere. Am I right? You can show a thumbs up with your hand. You want to get somewhere. You know that you are creative inside, and you want to explore that side of you. And you also know that a lot of people are competing to go there where you want to go. Is that right? I want to see thumbs up from everybody. Okay. So what I want you all to do is, I want all of you to tell me a little bit about yourself in only 10 seconds. Okay? Only 10 seconds. All of you unmute yourself. And when I say start, you will all start talking at the same time. Okay? Do not care about anybody else. Imagine it's just you talking to me. And you have 10 seconds to tell me your name, where are you from, what do you do. Okay? Everybody unmute yourself. Turn off your mics. Or turn on your mics. And when I say start, you will all start. 1, 2, 3, start.
I am Dhanisha.
Name is
I am Shah from
I am from
Satya.
Pune.
Eleven.
I am
I'm in BRD.
I am in BRTS.
I study at Buildings.
वेरी गुड. मुझे सबका समझ में आ गया है ना. देखो अब दिस इज द इशू राइट. मुझे किसी का भी समझ नहीं आया बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग है ना. And so this is the issue with the world today also, right? That everybody is talking and nobody is listening. है ना. We are all trying to tell to the world, this is who we are, this is what we do, this is where we come from, this is what we want to do, and nobody is listening because the other person is also talking. है ना. So this is what is going to happen when you go out for your job interviews, your education interviews. You want to get somewhere, you will be maybe number 32 in the queue, and there'll be 31 people आपके आगे, there'll be 40 people behind you, and everybody is going inside and telling, hey, I'm so cool, I'm so great, check me out, you know, take me in. So how do you stand out? Do you want to stand out? Yes? No? अच्छा, जो yes बोलेगा उसी से ये कॉल कर सकते हैं. So you'll have to unmute yourself, guys. Yes?
Yes.
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 I think you can also
Yes.
raise your hands. नीचे भी होता है कुछ. You can show me a thumbs up like this. You see the thumbs up on my camera? Reactions में. Great. Okay. Okay, great. So what happens, right? I'm going to share with you 2-3 things. Okay, I'm going to share 2 or 3 exercises with you today. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. Maybe I'll show you. So I'm an industrial designer by education. I studied from NID Ahmedabad along with Vishal, and then I went on to do an exchange program in Berlin, where I spent 6 months in HTW Berlin, and then I did an internship there. Then I moved to Munich, and I worked in Munich for a while, and then I came to Bombay to this multidisciplinary design studio called Sideways Consulting. And at Sideways, since 5 years, we've been doing a lot of work with corporates, with startups, with the social sector, and you can check us out at sideways.co.in. And beyond design, I also do magic as a hobby, and I also draw and I illustrate and I paint, as maybe you could see behind me. So today what I will try to do is we will keep it very, very fluid, and we'll have discussions, and we'll figure out that you take back something from me today. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that I'm just talking and you're just like, it's afternoon time anyway. It's like 3 o'clock. This is the time when most of you are taking naps, right? And so am I. So That's why I'm like, okay, let's have our videos on and let's be ready. So tell me something. Do you want to first do an exercise or do you want to see a magic trick?
Magic trick.
Magic trick.
Magic trick.
Oh, ये तो 3 बार आवाज आई, ये तो मतलब भगवान से आवाज आई है सीधा. Magic trick, magic trick, magic trick. So what happens in magic, right? It's very simple. I want you guys to focus on my camera. Don't look, otherwise you will say कोई camera trick है. So just look at me clearly, okay? And look what happens when I click. There's something that comes out of my hand, okay? You saw this? I'm going to put this back. Okay? If you blink, you might miss it. I'm going to put it back, okay? And now I'm going to blow into it. It's gone. Okay? Now the interesting part about magic. The interesting part about magic is that it is based on two things. One is attention. Right? So I'm going to try and take away your attention from something so that I can do something while you're not watching. And the second thing is control. I will make you feel like you are in control. So that you know, oh my God, ये कैसे हुआ? अभी तो हाथ में कुछ नहीं था, ये ऐसे हाथ ऐसे डाल के suddenly ये हाथ में से ऐसे इतना bright color का red color थोड़ा निकल कैसे सकता है? You know, and then it can again vanish. It can go away. So life is all about these two things. One is attention. Whatever you pay attention to, you're manifesting it. And whatever you are doing, you want to be in control of that, right? But you're unable to be in control a lot of times. जैसे अभी you are enjoying it, क्योंकि तो magic trick है. You're like, अरे कैसे हुआ मजा नहीं. But if life में ऐसा हुआ, मैंने interview तो बहुत अच्छी दी थी, but I didn't get selected, then it is no longer magic. Then it is tragic. Then like, shit, I don't want to be in this position. I want to be loved for what I do. You know, I want to enjoy what I do and I want to make money with what I do and so on and so forth. So I want attention and I want to be in control, right? So today we are going to do some exercises and today we are going to play some games to get to know that. So that we know that जो आप लोग चीजें कर रहे हो and what you want to do in life brings to you not only money, but also satisfaction, also fun, also a lot of enjoyment. Are you excited to learn that? अच्छा मैं भी म्यूट कर लेता हूँ अपने आप को, मैं भी ऐसे बैठ जाता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
Are you
sir. Yes.
excited?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
excited. I want to hear yes from everybody. Are you all excited?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We start with a small game. Pull out your hands like this. Now I have told you, pay full attention to what I do. Okay. Pull out your hands, all of you. Okay. Okay, great. Veer, I can't see you, but anyway. Okay. Now, when I will say, okay, everybody unmute yourself. I want to hear everybody. So, pehle unmute kar lo. And now, very simple game, okay? When I will say clap, you will all clap. How will you clap, Shobhi? And when I will say stop, you will all stop. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
And इतना तेज मत क्लैप करना कि कोई फैमिली में सो रहा है तो उसको उठा दो, और इतना धीरे क्लैप मत करना कि मुझे पता ना चले that you are clapping. Okay? So when I say clap, you have to clap, and I say stop, you have to stop. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, amazing. किसने clap किया? Raise your hands. Wonderful. Tanisha, Shriya, Priyal, Vedashri, Siddhi, Shriya. Amazing. अच्छा, धी ने भी किया, वैष्णवी ने भी किया. Amazing. Guys, I asked you to pay attention. Rules of the game were, when I say clap, you have to clap. When I say stop, you have to stop. I never said clap. I said 1, 2, 3, start. And you all started clapping. And I never said stop. I said, and you all stopped. You know क्या होता है? हमारे दिमाग में patterns बन जाते हैं. Oh, start and clap means the same. Oh, this means stop. So when I play this game with like school kids or like 4 or 5-year-old, like nursery kids, they are playing it fine. But as we start to grow up, we learn to put ourselves in these patterns, है ना? and then we're not able to play this simple game anymore. And then we start smiling when we realize, oh my God, this was so easy and we made a mistake. You want to try again? Put your hands again out. Okay? And one, two, okay. Unmute yourself firstly. Real, Khushi, Vaishnavi. Ah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, okay. Better. अभी भी कोई तो clap कर रहा है. But guys, when I say clap, you have to clap. When I say stop, you have to stop. Okay? 1, 2, 3, clap. Clap. Jeffy, clap. When I say clap, you have to clap. Clap. See? Okay, stop. ये सृष्टि और जेफी का कैमरा अटक गया या they didn't clap. Okay, anyway, we'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, start. All of you educated people, when I say clap, you have to clap. When I say stop, you have to stop. Okay? Clap. Okay, stop. Very good. So, first of all, congratulations. You are smiling like crazy after playing the stupidest game of your life that you have ever played and that you will ever play. You know why? Because you learned something. You learned how to be more attentive while playing a game. You know why you learned it? Because you were not thinking जो आप 5 मिनट पहले सोच रहे थे कि पता नहीं क्या होगा इस लेसन में. आज एक और प्रेजेंटेशन देखनी पड़ेगी. अरे, I don't know. I don't even know if I want to do this. I don't know where I'm going to be next year. Oh my God, there are exams coming up, so on and so forth. इतना कुछ दिमाग में चल रहा था. And when we are playing a simple game, I brought your attention to something as simple as clap and stop. And suddenly all of you are smiling even though you're playing it wrong. Because at least you're doing one thing. So when you start paying attention to one thing, you get into a state of flow. And when you're in a state of flow, things start getting better. Okay. Now we are not playing this game anymore. Even if I use the word clap, please don't start clapping. That is stop. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. But okay, put your hands out once again. And I want one sound. You'll clap with me. One sound. Clap with me. With me. When I clap, you clap. I think ये वाली game तो नहीं हो पाएगी. There's a lot of internet issue here. We'll move on to an exercise. Most of our internets are very So I want one volunteer now. Whoever wants, Jeffy, you can keep your hands down. Or maybe her internet is stuck. Okay. I want one volunteer for this one exercise. Who wants to come?
I'll come in.
Who said that? I see so many.
Tanisha.
Tanisha. Can we have Tanisha spotlighted, please? Where is Tanisha? Can somebody please spotlight on Tanisha so we can all see her on the big screen? No, not my video. I want Tanisha to be spotlighted. Tanisha को हम spotlight कर दे please. Shreya, are you the host?
No, sir.
Sir, I
Sir,
was the host.
sir is
but,
the
Okay,
host.
Tanisha has been spotlighted. Okay,
Yeah.
great. So, Tanisha, what do you do?
I'm a 17-year-old girl. I study arts,
Wow.
and I
you
stay
study-
in. I've taken arts, and I stay in Kolhapur.
Okay, great. So, Tanisha, there's a poem called Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack
Yeah.
fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Have you heard this poem, Tanisha?
Yeah.
Can you tell us this poem?
Like, you want me to recite it?
Yes.
I cannot remember it very properly, but I guess I'll try. Jack and Jill went up the hill.
to fetch a pail of water.
To fetch a pail of water, Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Amazing. Now, Tanisha, what you have to do is you have to tell the same story like it is the funniest story of your life.
How do I do that?
Like it is the funniest story you've ever heard, Tanisha. Come on.
Okay, I'll try. So no, I cannot do it. I'm sorry. I just don't know how to do it.
Just give it a shot. Just try it out once. Like it's
Okay,
the
sure.
funniest story you've ever heard.
Okay, so I'll like laugh a lot when I say it.
Sure.
So how do I fake laugh? Okay, I'll try. I'm sorry. So Jack and Jill went up the hill. So no, I cannot do it. Can someone else do it?
You'll do it, Tanisha. Come on. Okay, pull out your hands like this, Tanisha, in front, and just do this. Ha.
Ha
So breathe out and do it. Ha.
ha
One more time. Ha.
ha.
Okay. Now just laugh and tell us the story of Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. This was so Jack and Jill went up the hill and to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. And Jill came down tumbling after.
Okay, guys, big round of
Okay, this
applause
was-
to Tanisha. Funniest story ever. I want one more volunteer now. Who's next?
For me.
That was good, Tanisha. Who's next?
Sir Shakti.
Shakti. Can we have Shakti on the big screen, please? Shakti, please introduce yourself.
I'm a 16-year-old. I stay in Pune. And yeah, and I like playing sports and everything.
Amazing. So, Shakti, you are going to tell us the same poem like you are a reporter of a news channel, like Republic TV.
Okay. Okay, I'll try.
Go for it.
Hmm. The headlines of today are two kids, Jack and Jill, were trying to fetch a pail of water from a hill, but suddenly Jack fell down and broke his crown. And within the next few minutes, Jill came tumbling after.
Okay, Shakti, that was great, but I think that was more like NDTV. I think that was more like Doordarshan. I told you Republic TV, especially for a reason. All of you agree, right? That was not Republic TV. Come on, Shakti. You also do this. Breathe in and do ha.
Ha.
Two more times. Ha.
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 Okay. Okay. So, like, I didn't get it. How do you want me to say it?
Have you ever seen Republic TV? Have you seen Arnab Goswami? Have you
Oh, okay.
seen
Yeah.
sensational journalist making a big
Yeah.
deal about nothing?
Okay. Okay. So, आज की ताजा खबर. Jack and Jill were up the hill and they were trying to fetch a pail of water, but suddenly what happened is Jack fell down and broke his crown. And within no time, Jill came tumbling after. Okay, I tried.
Let's give a clap for Shakti, guys. Nice.
I think
That was-
it
that
would
was-
have been more funny if Jill started saying "Pani do mujhe, pani do," coming down.
Drugs do ki zara pani do. Good one, Tanisha. I want one more volunteer. Who's wanting to do this now?
So me,
अपना नाम बताएं. इतने सारे लोग हैं मुझे दिख नहीं रहा.
Bhargavi.
Bhargavi. Can we have Bhargavi on the big screen? Okay, Bhargavi, you are going to tell us the same poem, Jack and Jill. First, introduce yourself.
Myself, Bhargavi Chiddarwar. I'm 18 years old and from Digras.
Okay, great. So you are going to tell us this same story like you are gossiping. जैसे कुछ secret है. Which is a gossip आपको पता चला, you are telling everybody, your friends. Like Coffee with Karan.
You know, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch the water. Jack fell down the hill and Jill came tumbling after.
Wow, very nice, guys. Huge round of applause for Bhargavi.
Thank you.
Wonderful. So for the volunteers who did this, Shakti, Tanisha, Bhargavi, right? How did you all feel after doing this?
It was fun. It was something different than what we usually do.
Okay. So Bhargavi, you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Internet. Yeah. Tanisha?
I think I was pretty nervous while doing that because I had to fake laugh. But I think I did it. But I felt really good after doing it.
You felt really good, है ना? So this was taught to me. This in fact 2 weeks ago by this guy called Suresh Venkat. He's an amazing designer and an anchor from NID, who later became a media person and anchor. And this is a great technique when you have to go and give an interview, or when you have to go and do a stage presence. You have to go on stage. Whenever you feel that थोड़ा सा confidence लग रहा है कम, थोड़ा सा मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि होगा या नहीं होगा, you can do Jack and Jill in any format that you want, with a friend or in front of the mirror or however. What it does is it reminds you of your inner child, you know, and your inner child is very pure and unadulterated. Your inner child is completely you. Okay. And today, what I'm going to share with you is the technique of making a personal brand, of how will you guys become personal brands that people will admire you. है ना? So the idea is to be very authentic. The idea is not to cheat. वो जो advertising में करते हैं झूठ बोलते हैं वो नहीं करना. The idea is to be very very true to what you are. And unfortunately, what is happening in India also, in design also, and in coaching institutes and in design schools and in colleges and jobs, we are all trying to become the same person. Template बनना शुरू हो जाता है. You know, like you are at a juncture in your life where you actually want to do something creative and visionary. You don't want to be the usual. In your head, usual could be doctor nahi banna, engineer nahi banna, lawyer nahi banna, chartered accountant nahi banna. I want to be an artist. I want to be a designer, or I want to be something unique and special. But still क्या हो जाता है आने वाले टाइम में आपको जब बताना शुरू कर देते हैं this is how you do it, that's how you do it, people start becoming a template. When I go and hire in NID or other places, I see people's CVs and they look like hotel के menu. They start looking like, oh, palak paneer, dal makhani, garlic naan, ये जो सबके पास सारी चीजें होती हैं. सर आप इस होटल से ले लीजिए. When I see, oh, I am product designer, I'm graphic designer also, I also know photography, I also do this, I'm also in painting, and I also do UI UX. So we are trying to do 100 things. So the first thing that I want to tell you guys is do not be a template. All of you have one thing very special about yourself. That is your life's experience that even I don't have. Vishal sir doesn't have. All of you don't have. In just the individual you has that experience. So just trust that experience and build on your authenticity. Okay, I'll give you an example of an authenticity. So, is there somebody here who is looking to do masters, or are you all looking for doing bachelors right now?
So I'm going to do masters.
Okay,
Even I'm
can
going
we
to
have
do
you on
masters.
spotlight? Whoever is going to do masters. One master student on spotlight, please. What's your name? Please introduce yourself. Girija.
Girija Kshirsagar. I recently completed my architecture from Pune.
Yeah.
So this year. So I am looking forward for the master's studies.
Okay, Girija has completed her architecture. So she's at least 4-5 years ahead of the curve with other people out here, right? And Girija has spent a lot of time, in her masters as well, studying, drawing, drafting, इतना कुछ किया होगा, इतने सारे घर डिजाइन किए होंगे, इंटीरियर्स की नॉलेज होगी, मटेरियल्स की नॉलेज होगी, बड़े बड़े इंजीनियर्स से मिले होंगे, प्रोफेसर इतने अच्छे अच्छे होंगे. So Girija, why do you want to do masters?
Sir, because I want to do, I want to get specialized in a certain thing which I like.
Okay, so what is that certain thing that you like?
I like graphic designing. So
Okay.
I want to.
So now, guys, this is a lesson for all of you also, because she has already completed these 5 years, right? You have not yet. So ऐसा भी होता है कई बार that you complete 5 years of your education and then you realize I don't want to do architecture so much. I want to do more graphic design, and it's completely fine. You are evolving. We are all human beings, so we don't have to judge ourselves at all. So now, Girija, you are at the perfect time. Now you want to do your master's in graphic design. Am I right? So which means you will go to people and you will tell them that you are looking to do your masters, and they will have to decide whether they choose you or not.
Yeah.
Right? So now what's going to happen? We are going to do a what we call the elevator pitch with Girija. Okay. So this is going to come in handy for all of you, this exercise in a few years time, but it's already nice to know of it today. Okay. So Girija, what happens in an elevator pitch is, imagine that your interviewer meets you in the elevator. वो जा रहे हैं ऊपर और आप भी उसी लिफ्ट में चले गए, and you have only 30 seconds, and you have to tell him 30 seconds about yourself so that the other person is interested in what you have to offer. And you know, there is a research by Harvard where 92% of interviews are already decided whether it's yes or no in the first 20 seconds. They might sit with you for 10 minutes, but in the first 20 seconds, they have decided if they're going to select you or not. Because there is something that we give as our presence, which people feel. Hai na? So Girija, do you want to learn how to do it in 30 seconds? Okay. Awesome. So Girija is on the spotlight. Girija, you are with me. And imagine, Girija, that I am that VIP person, that I am this guy who's going to interview you. And I just meet you in the lift. And we're going to do it for 30-40 seconds. And you just tell us what you do. Okay, right?
Hello, sir. I myself Girija Kshirsagar. I recently completed my architecture, and I am pursuing for my graphic designing studies for my masters. I have completed a couple of projects, a couple of interior projects, and some freelancing graphic designs. So can you please check out my work once so that
Girija, here's my secretary's number. Please call her. I am busy. I have to go somewhere. Thank you. Okay, great. Girija, well done, well done. I was just acting. But I'll tell you what happens, Girija. Abhina, if I replace Girija with somebody else, and that person is in the elevator, okay, let's say Pooja, okay, and Pooja says the exact same thing to me, then there's no difference between Girija and Pooja for me. Because there could be another person who has also done architecture and who's also looking for graphic design, who has also got 2 projects that they want me to check out. Correct? And when I am in this position, I'm meeting a lot of such people. A lot of such people are interviewing or are trying to get my attention. But I'm not getting their attention. I'm not giving them my attention. So when I was doing this and suddenly I did this, you know, suddenly people started smiling and looking at me. Kaise kar raha hai? Suddenly there's more attention. So what is happening with this red cloth is actually a lesson to be learned here for you, is how do you build an interest in what you have to offer for somebody when they're listening to you. It does not happen by telling them about your degree. वो तो CV में पढ़ लेंगे. It does not happen by telling them about how many projects you have done. It is not about the what you have to offer. Okay? It is not also about the how you do it. What people will always buy into is the why. Why of what you want to do. Understand? So, I'll give you an example. Apple is a great company that all designers love. They use iPhones, they use this, that. And Apple has figured out its why. So Apple says that my why, my reason to exist is that I want to challenge the status quo. I want to do things differently. And it says, how will I do things differently? I will do things differently by getting the best engineers, the best designers, the best manufacturers in one room and tell them, abhi kar lo jo karna hai saath mein, kuch banao. Yeah, that's the how. And what will I end up doing? I will end up making great computers. Or I could end up making great music players. Or I could end up making whatever, right? That's the what. Apple is never selling you the what. Apple is always selling you the why. So people who are buying the brand Apple are different from people who are buying the brand Whirlpool. Because Whirlpool is selling washing machines. Whirlpool is selling the what. The what is, I'm an architect. The why is, why are you an architect? Why are you on this creative field? Why do you exist? So Whirlpool कल को बोलेगा ये washing machine number 2, washing machine number 3 ले लो. Maybe people will consider it. But when Whirlpool says, hey, I'm launching a new car, nobody is going to buy. लेकिन आप तो washing machine बनाते. But if tomorrow Apple says, now Apple is launching a car, people will look forward to it. You'll say, hey, what's very interesting? Apple is coming up with a car. Because Apple is telling you the why. So Girija, you need to firstly talk about the why. Okay? And the why about you has to be different from the why about Anuja or Tanvi or Siddhi or Jeppy. Because that is what will make you Girija. So let me help you now, Girija. Girija, tell me 3 things that you love doing when you are not doing architecture or design or anything creative. Any 3 things. It could be eating, sleeping, dreaming, cooking, going for a walk, traveling, anything.
I like listening to music. I watch a lot of movies and series, a lot of Netflix. And yeah, I like exercising a lot. So I
Is
do
there a
that
specific
regularly.
form of exercising you like?
Yeah, I do yoga.
Yoga, very good. So now, suddenly when I put these 3 things together, I'm already getting to know more about you. There could be 100 students in architecture, but maybe not all of them are doing yoga or exercising or movies on Netflix. Now let me ask you, Girija, what kind of movies do you like to watch?
I watch anything, everything. It is not any certain genre which I enjoy specifically. I
Okay.
whatever
Great.
comes across, yeah, comes across.
Okay. Amazing.
If it
And
is-
imagine it's a Sunday afternoon and you have a lot of time, but you're not watching a movie. Then what you're doing? What are you doing then?
I have a hobby of painting some things. So I certainly there are some broken pieces of tiles or any used tiles or any used dishes in my house. So I paint that things. I keep on
Great,
painting.
great. And Girija, do you have a project in your portfolio where you have repurposed something or where you have picked up something and changed it by painting it or by doing something to it?
Yeah, I have. I actually have this right here. So my grandmom was going to throw an earthen pot because a pot of pickles. So I asked her to not to throw. So I just transferred it into a pot.
And you convert it into a pot.
Yeah, a pot. Can I show
Of course, of
it
course.
right here? So yeah, this is that thing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's
And
beautiful.
these are those these are some used plates which I paint.
Amazing,
I don't
amazing,
you can see it. So yeah, I
Great.
do these things.
amazing. So now, Girija, you can come back
Yeah.
and sit. I still see the plates.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think I have a network issue. So
No problem. You can turn off your camera and start it again. Then I think we'll see your face. But for the rest of you, do you notice how now we know Girija a little bit more? Is it right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
तो पहले
Yes.
क्या हुआ हमें ये
Yes,
पता लगा गिरिजा की डिग्री क्या है हमें ये पता चला that Girija is an architect and Girija wants to do graphic design and Girija wants to go to some college and pursue a master's because she wants to specialize. But we don't know Girija at all. If I replace Girija by Pooja, by Diksha, by Shriya, by Isha, the sentence still means nothing to me because that only gives me a template. So if Girija says that she is this, she wants to do this, I don't know what to make of it. But of the 100 students in our architecture class, not everybody is going to do what Girija does when she has free time, when they have free time. So if my nani was throwing the achar ka container, I would let her throw. Even if I was an architect, I would not think so much. Maybe Priyal would do something else to that. Maybe Arya would do something else to it. But Girija said, hey, let me put plants in it. So Girija, you're back. So can we have spotlighted on Girija? So Girija, what now I know about you is more authentic. I know that you like to repurpose things and you make them aesthetically appealing and you like to make them functionally useful. and you like to use materials and you want to play with materials. So even if you do graphic design, that's what you will want to do. Yeah, I haven't seen any project of yours yet. If even if I am interviewing you, I will not have the time to go through your projects, but I need to know more about you. Okay, so firstly, whenever you talk about yourself for everybody else, even if you put your Instagram bio, you should know this. Never talk about nouns. Never ever talk about the labels. No nouns. So do not say, I'm a designer, I'm an architect, I'm a student. No. Because nouns make you templates. A lot of people like that exist. A lot of people like that exist. Always use verbs, action oriented. What do you do? Did you notice when Girja was talking about what she did? She did not say, I am a plate repurposer. No. She said, I took a plate and I painted it and I did this because she was talking about the action, what she does. You know? So what does an architect do? There are a lot of actions. But when we say architect, it doesn't mean anything. It's just a word, architect. Hazaron log hain architects. But har ek ka tarika alag hai. So when Girija does architecture, it's very different from what other people will do architecture. Girija is going to go to a house and say, Acha, for interior design, you've got this beautiful vase. Let me use this vase and put it somewhere. Let me use these tiles and put them somewhere. She's going to repurpose. And why is Veer on the spotlight? Girija ko spotlight chahiye.
No, sir. Girija only is there.
Achha, Girija is only there.
Yeah.
Mine's Veer was there. Okay. So Girija, when you put your Instagram bio or when you talk to people, you have to use the language that you were talking right now. I'll give you an example. So I did it with another bunch of students from another college. And there I asked somebody and she said, you know what, I love cooking. So I said, then do you do your projects like the same way you cook? I said, how? How do you cook? She said, oh, I like to keep exploring new ingredients. And I want to make for my grandmother without spices, for my mother with the little spices, for my brother more spices. So I said, oh, you have a lot of empathy that designers need. And you are curating it for different people. That's how you will do your design projects as well. She said, yeah, that's true. Because we as people stay the same. You can make me do anything and I will do it with similar energy. So Girija, if your state of mind is about repurposing, you will do the same. So when now this girl says, I'm a design chef. And then people are interested. Oh, interesting. What do you do? Oh, I use colors as ingredients and I paint. Suddenly I'm more interested in knowing, right? Now she's not saying I'm a graphic designer. You notice the difference? In that 30 seconds, the first 5 seconds only have done the job. Because I'm getting to know more authentically about that person and there's an intrigue. So if Girija says, so Girija, you want to transition from being an architect, you know? So let's look at what are other verbs in architecture. So architecture is about creating, building, sometimes digging and creating. So, and then looking at things that are there and you're repurposing them. That is something that you really love. So if that was one direction, that is the direction you should take. Or yoga, you do exercise, or you watch movies, a certain kind. That element of you needs to come out. So if Girija starts to say that hey Girija, what do you do? And if she says that, I believe that there's nothing called waste. I want to use creativity to make waste useful. Then I'm intrigued. Oh, how? And then Girija tells me the how. Oh, actually, I'm a trained architect. And now I want to do my master's in graphic design. Wow, suddenly I'm like, interesting. So what will you do, Girija, if you do master? Oh, sir, I've done these projects where I've repurposed these plates. I've done this project where etc. And now these 5 answers are the answers that I'm now asking and she's giving me. Versus the first question where she says, hey, sir, I have 4 projects. Do you want to see? I'm like, I don't want to see. Because I don't know you. I didn't get to know you. So your first element should not be a noun. It should not be an architect, designer, this, that, you know. And we can always think of like smarter ways to write that thing. You know, for example, you can say, Girija Kshirsagar on Instagram says, digging deeper to find meaning in everyday objects. Like, wow, digging deeper to find meaning in everyday objects. Now that's the purpose why Girija exists. You know, she thinks a little more than us. She looks at a plate and she digs deeper into it and she's like, this is not just a plate. This is a material that I can use again, which somebody else is not thinking. And that's why she went into architecture also, because she thought, "Arey, is building ko aisa kara ja sakta tha. I can reuse this. I can reimagine this." So Girija is in the business of reimagining things. So when Girija looks at this, I look at it as, oh, laddu khatam ho gaye. But Girija looks at this, अरे इसके अंदर plants हो सकते हैं, इसके अंदर aquarium हो सकता है, इसके अंदर. So Girija, you are creating, you're dreaming constantly. So that is your authenticity. When you're watching movies, you're in the dream world. You're escaping to that, right? Do you know the difference that I'm trying to make? If you look at Milind Soman, do you guys know Milind Soman? Milind Soman
Yes,
is,
sir.
used to be an actor, turned into a model. Now he's a runner. And Airtel, when they have to do a marathon, they call Milind Soman, to run for them. Now Milind Soman is not the fastest running guy in the world. There are many people who run faster than him. But Milind Soman has built a brand for himself. If you go and read his Instagram bio, it says Milind Soman, tree hugger and running person. He did not say, I'm an environmentalist. Environmentalist ka kya matlab hai? Tree hugger. Oh, you visualize this guy hugging a tree. So there's empathy. A hug is with empathy. You know that's the emotion, right? Okay, guys, you can spotlight me now since I'm the only one talking. Girija, I hope it makes sense to you, what I was saying.
Thank you, sir.
So, okay, no, we'll come back. We'll come back to Girija. Okay, let's have Girija back for this 30 seconds again. And Girija, now you will use the line that I told you. Okay. So you can say whatever, like we'll rephrase it. You will use verbs more. So is Girija now on spotlight? Okay. Hi, Girija.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I
What do you do, Girija?
Sir, I reimagine things and make our day-to-day objects or day-to-day life, or I see our day-to-day life in a different perspective. So this is my job, which I love to do.
One second. You said you reimagine things and you relook. How do you do that?
Sir, as we can see many other objects which we use for a certain purpose. So I try to design the same objects for different reasons.
Okay, Girija. You know what? In my office, there's an empty room. We don't know what to do there. And there are lots of waste chairs there. And I don't know. Like all my employees, they're sitting in the other space. But this one is like just empty.
You can redesign the space which you have in all the materials which you already have. So I can design it in my way.
Girija, we want to make it into a fun space, into a playful space. But I've only got some boring chairs. What can I do with chairs?
First, sir, I'll design it. I'll make it as interesting as possible as I can by using the same materials or same objects which you already have.
Yeah, interesting ban sakta hai. All I have is like 6 chairs and one big table. It's pretty boring, Girija. How will I make that interesting?
Sir, we can color it, we can cushion it, we can redesign it, we can change the backrests or handrests. We can do a lot of things which we from the
But
material.
my boss told me make it into a play area. I don't have any budgets to make it into a play area. How can we make it a play area?
That is okay, sir. We can think about it. We can brainstorm the ideas and we can figure it out together.
I didn't understand this brainstorm and all. These are very heavy words. You tell me what to do with this table. It's an empty table. There's some chairs. How will people come and play here? What will they play?
Sir, I can. Sir, right now I'll have to think about as many possibilities as we can. So I'll have to sketch certain.
What do you think? What else can we do? Forget a play area. If I give this room to you, what do you want to do to this room?
I can make a studio or make any useful space which you want in
But
your
you know
office.
what, Girija,
Have-
there's one chair. One chair, it is already broken. It cannot be repaired. What can we do with that chair?
So we can use it in other ways as the wall hangings, as we can climb up some climbers or any creepers on that. So as many green spaces, it would look more interesting and fresh in the space.
Oh, that's interesting. So you're saying it can be a nice area to just go and sit and chill.
Yeah.
Huh?
We,
Like that.
Yeah, that can be. Yeah, that can
Okay,
be.
then you should come and visit our office. I think you will work on that.
Sir.
Okay. So now what is happening? By the way, guys, there's no office, there are no employees. This was all just a story. And what I was showing you was that all these conversations are taking place because I'm getting to know the person more. When I'm getting to know what this person does. If I do not know that person, if I do not know what they do, I will not be interested in knowing more or getting more conversations with them. So when you are going to go for your interviews, when you're going to be talking, and if you say, oh, I'm 17 years old, I'm 18 years old, I'm from here, I went to this school, I went to this thing, and I draw and I paint, and many people are saying. So you need to find more and more of your authenticity. You need to find what you are kind of doing uniquely that nobody else is, right? Does it make sense to all
Excuse
of
me,
you?
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt now. Like you said, you have to explain things that are not ordinary or in a unique way. Now, the interviewer does not have much time. So, how do you do it quickly yet in an appealing or a smart way? Like I'm not
Asha,
gonna lie,
great,
but
great question. So I'll tell you. A
it took
friend
a
of mine,
while, right,
yeah.
sir? It took a
Huh.
while right
So,
now. So
so great. So Tanisha, how old are you? You are learning for your bachelor's right now,
yes,
and you're
I'm
applying
17.
for what discipline are you applying for?
Product design.
Product design. I mean, product design is a vast discipline. Let me ask you, Tanisha, why do you want to do product design?
So because I feel like the generation that was before us, like my parents or my uncles and aunts, these people were more into making things, like producing things. Like it was an era for engineers. Now things have been produced, and we don't need much things to be produced. We just think to be more modified in a more productive way or a more useful way. So I think we need modification, and that is the reason I think we need designing properly. Now we are adapting to many new things. Like right now, you said technology. We never knew we might attend classes online, or we could talk to so many people from across the world or the country. So, like I said, there are so many innovations happening, and you need to keep up with what is happening around you. So that is the reason why I feel like I can do better in that field by
So
innovating.
Tanisha, by your logic, everybody should do product design because generation तो पुरानी change हो गई है सबके लिए. By
Yeah,
your logic, everybody has to do. So what you told me was 50% right because you made it a little personal. You said your parents were in a background like that, right?
no, my
And at
parents
this,
aren't in a background like that.
no, you talked about a generation that
Generally,
used to
yeah.
create. Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right. You were in a generation that used to create. So
Yes.
my question to you is, Tanisha, after you told me all this is all gyan. This is all I can read on some website. This is all I can read some article. I don't know anything about you. So I need to know you, right? I have to select you.
Yeah.
You are coming and telling me something very nice. That's great. But now how do I know if I should select you?
For
So
that, you
what-
should know me.
I have to know you.
Yes.
There's no time. You're using this time to tell me that the generations have changed and engineers have gone. Now it's a time for designers. Okay, it's a great time for designers. That's why I'm this professor in a design school. That's why I have designers. You go and tell this to the outer world. You're coming to a design professor and telling them, hey, designers are important. I know that. You need to tell me why Tanisha is important. And what does Tanisha love? So first thing, figure out everything that you love. Write down 10 things, 20 things, 30 things in your diary. It could be sleeping, dreaming, eating, talking, it doesn't matter. I'll tell you a friend of mine, he's a musician. And how does he get more work? When he says, I'm a music composer, he doesn't get it. But when I know his personality, he loves hosting people, bringing them home, cooking for them, chilling with them. And he's very warm and, he loves serving people. He loves to get pampered also when he goes to a hotel. This is the vibe of this person. Versus another guy who loves to just sit on a computer, work, and then take a coffee, and then work again, and then just have one or two people around him. Very two different people, right? So the first guy, if he goes out and says, I'm a music composer, and the second guy says, I'm a music composer, I don't know the difference of this vibe. So I get them to write what they do very differently. So the first guy, I get him to write Siddharth Sharma, serving artisanal experiences through sound. He's serving some artisanal experiences through sound. So people come to him because he reports a project also like that. He's delivering you musical experiences, but the way he talks, the way he creates the entire project for them, the way he listens to their problems, that is why people come to him. So if I am a professor looking to hire or select students, I want students who deserve this. Firstly, I want students who really are passionate about what they are doing, who really know why they are doing what they are doing. That's why they ask, why do you want to do? Why do you want to come to NID? Why do you want to come for masters? Why do you want to go there? And then people say, sometimes the truth is because I want to earn money. Sometimes the truth is, यार डिग्री चाहिए, उसके बिना जॉब नहीं मिलती. Sometimes the truth is, अरे मेरी दीदी का हो गया था NID, उसके बाद उनकी लाइफ बन गई, तो मुझे भी NID जाना है. Because you don't know. I didn't know when I was going to NID, why I was going to NID. पहुंच गए, उसके बाद समझ में आना शुरू हुआ, right? So right now, you are all like in the creative rat race. Firstly, give up on that rat race. भूल जाओ rat race. भूल जाओ कोई template है, भूल जाओ कोई NID है. Firstly, ask yourself that what is it that you love doing. ठीक है? And then connect it authentically to your goal. So Tanisha, tell me 3 things that you love doing. Before you do that, there's a friend of mine who's a trainer, who's a storyteller, who does things in emotional intelligence, who's a clinically trained psychologist, who goes, अभी ये सब मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं समझ आ रहा आप लोगों को, ये बस भारी भारी शब्द है, right? So you don't know about this girl, but when I ask her, what do you love doing? She says, I love reading. I can just sit for hours and read. And what else do you love? Oh, I love writing. I wake up every day and I write something. I was like, okay, great. And now tell me what you do. So, I give these workshops in emotional intelligence through storytelling. I'm a part of Sounds of the Sufi band and I go around doing this. I said, wow, great. So our Instagram bio is Priyanka Patel. Reading emotions, writing stories. Now, where did I get the reading from and the writing from? From something she loves to do. But now this tells me about her in 4 words. So now when somebody says, hey, Priyanka, what do you do? She's like, I read emotions and I write stories, sir. You're like, hey, I want to know more about this. How do you read emotion? So, oh, sir, I'm a clinically trained psychologist. Oh, that's great. And how do you write stories? Oh, actually, you know what? I've studied Sufism and I'm a part of this band. And I go and train school teachers as well. So we write things together and this blah, 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 and there are 100 things to talk then. Because you've developed an interest in a few seconds. Now, if she said, I'm a psychologist, I'm a trainer, I'm a storyteller, I'm this, then it feels very boastful. कि मुझे 5, 10, 15 चीजें आती हैं. And also nobody is listening. But when you say something intriguing in a few lines, it's very poetic, then I want to listen. And guys, one small tip for all of you. If you want your interviewee or interviewer, the guy who's interviewing you, to listen to you, you need to tell your life thing like a story. One simple way to start off is once upon a time. Our grandmothers used to do it and suddenly हम खेल रहे होते थे और हम चले जाते थे सुनने के लिए कि क्या बोल रही हो. पता है एक बार की बात है और सुनने लग जाते हैं. And that suddenly, because the person sitting in front of you is a human being, उनके भी दिमाग में वही सारे chemicals चलते हैं. तो जब मैं बोलता हूँ, you know, Vedeshri, I had gone to this Himalayas और वहाँ पर ना I saw this one bridge. Oh my God, what a beautiful bridge. But they told me, do not go on the other side. Why? Nobody was telling me. They said, do not go on the other side. There's some kind of ghost. We always hear these howls. So take the long route. Go away from the other side. घूम घूम के गाड़ी चला के वहाँ जाओ. So I said, no, I will take this route. I will not listen to anyone. And you know what? I go on this. धीरे धीरे धीरे. I was so scared because down I see, oh, पूरी खाई थी. And then slowly I'm walking. And suddenly I hear a sound and I turn around. And you know what happened? Now I'm not going to tell you what happened. Because this is a story I'm just making up right now. But because I'm telling it like a story, all of you want to know what happened. All of you are very interested. कि पीछे कौन था? Because now your brain, all of your human beings, is more interested in listening to this. Maybe even more interested than when I was telling you 5 minutes ago. Because now you're listening to it like a story. So when you talk about yourself, tell it like a story. Hey, life की story क्या है? Tanisha, where are you from?
I'm from Kolhapur,
You're
Maharashtra.
from Kolhapur. And figure out unique things about Kolhapur. Figure out your culture. Figure out something about that. And
So-
connect. हाँ बोलो.
So Kolhapur is connected to history a lot because Shahu Maharaj, he lived in Kolhapur. He was the king of Kolhapur. So we are connected to Kolhapur, and then we have Panhara Fort, which is one of the conquests by Shivaji Maharaj. Then we are
अभी
very
देखो,
famous.
जो तनीषा को बात पता है मुझे भी नहीं पता. ये हम में से किसी को नहीं पता. जो कोल्हापुर से है उसी को पता है. That is already something unique. That's an advantage. So wherever you are from, that culture, that space is your superhero power. वो
Yeah.
तो है ही अपने पास. So if
Yes.
Tanisha says that I want to redesign Kolhapur, अब हम सब compete कर ही नहीं सकते. If that is what she wants to do in her life, I want to reimagine the museum experience of Shivaji Maharaj in Kolhapur. Because I used to go there as a child and I used to be ये क्या बनाया? And suddenly it's storytelling. Suddenly I'm more interested. So Tanisha, if there is a story in your life that you quote and you share with that professor that is going to interview you, and a real authentic experience that you tell, they
Okay.
will be more interested because they know it's coming from a real experience. This girl
Yeah.
really wants to do something. But if you tell me, you know what, I look up online and today the world is changing. And all the engineers, they were in the previous generation. Then I'll be like, अरे इनको क्या पता है? हम 50 साल के हो गए, हमें नहीं पता इनको कहाँ से पता है बच्चे. Then I'm going to be like, Tanisha, you know what? This. And guys, also remember this, all of you all, talk to your best friend and ask them about your flaws. What are not so good things about it? And embrace those flaws. Change मत करो. किसी को गुस्सा ज़्यादा आता है, it's fine. किसी को रोना ज़्यादा आता है, it's fine. किसी को, it's your vulnerability. People love vulnerability. It's fine. I'm going to share, मैं random चीजें आप लोगों के साथ share कर रहा हूँ because I know that you are still being molded. You are in that state of life where you have not put a label on yourself. So I'm giving multiple routes for you all to open up and try things. So remember, what did I say? Do not use nouns when you explain who you are. Wherever, whether it's on LinkedIn, social media, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp status, wherever. Do not use nouns because nouns are so solid, वो कोई भी हो सकता है. Keep it fluid. Take some verbs. Tell me about who you are through what you do, not what you are. So what you do is more important for me versus who you are. Secondly, use storytelling from your real life scenarios. Tell me a story and I will be hooked to listen to you. And do not show me quantity. मेरे पास 5 projects है, 10 projects है, 20 projects नहीं. I don't have the time. If I would come on this call and tell you, guys, today we are going to do 30 exercises in 1 hour. Be like, नहीं करनी भाई, 1-2 exercises कर लेते हैं बहुत. So do little things, do them right. Do more authentic things. Don't get influenced कि उसने ऐसा काम कर दिया, मुझे भी ऐसा काम करना है. No. If you're really interested in it, pursue that. If you're not, it's okay. So the same way that Girija is doing repurposing, she's already found out what she loves doing. When she does a project, she'll do it the same way. Girija is one of those persons जो दोपहर के चावल बचे तो उनको शाम को खीर बना लेती है. Because she's like चावल फेंकने नहीं है. She's very conscious in her consumption. Girija is one of those people जो पुराना प्लास्टिक जाके डस्टबिन में ही फेंकते हैं. Am I right, Girija? Girija, am I right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ देखो अभी मुझे कैसे पता लगा गिरिजा के ये वाला एलिमेंट, क्योंकि गिरिजा इज अ कॉन्शियस कंज्यूमर. गिरिजा इज कॉन्शियस अबाउट मटेरियल. शी इज यूजिंग एनवायरनमेंट रिसोर्सफुली. So Girija could also say it very differently. Girija could be, so what do you do, Girija? Oh, I'm on a purpose, sir, to make the world a more conscious place for their environment. Oh, really? How? Oh, through my skill set in architecture and design, I want to show to people that they can reuse things. So I'm going to start a YouTube channel where I'm going to teach people how can you use your old dishes and make them into beautiful showpieces. How can you use your dadi ka achar and uska box leke aap ek gamla bana sakte hain. How can you do, how can you pick up an old tire and make a beautiful chair out of it? How can you go to an old room where everything is broken and make it into a chilling room with planters on top? And suddenly there are people interested in going and viewing Girija's videos. So Girija, you have to start owning this space to build your brand of repurposing, of reimagining. And then people will come to you. ठीक है? And then वो बोलेंगे आपका पोर्टफोलियो खुद ही देख के बोलेंगे सर आप आ जाओ मास्टर्स करने प्लीज हमारे यहाँ पे. आपके साथ हमें भी कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. So I'll tell you a quick story of how branding works. There is a bar and there's a guy and a girl. Now the guy likes the girl and the guy wants to impress the girl, but the guy stays quiet. अब तो कुछ पता ही नहीं चलेगा लड़की को. So this is called silence. It won't work. I don't have a website. I don't have my social media. I don't have my LinkedIn. I don't have my portfolio. I have nothing. But I am expecting मेरा selection हो जाएगा. नहीं होगा. मुझे कुछ किया ही नहीं मैंने. ठीक है? Now case 1. The guy goes to the girl and says, hey, you know what? I like you. You're so pretty. You're so nice. You're so intelligent. And I'm so great. I'm also so intelligent. I'm also so handsome. I think we'll be a great couple. I really like you. अब पता नहीं क्या होगा. Maybe the girl likes him. Maybe the girl doesn't like him. This is called communication. भाई बता तो दिया. इंटरव्यू तो दे दी जाके, अपना काम तो करा, बाकी तो फिर इंटरव्यू के ऊपर है कि लेंगे या नहीं लेंगे. So case 1 था silence, didn't work. Case 2 is communication. This is better than being silent because at least you are telling. Correct? Case 3, the guy comes and says, hey, hi, you know what? I really like you. You're so pretty. You're so intelligent. फिर वो चले जाता है and then he comes again घूम के says, hey, you know what? I really like you. फिर से आता है, hey, I really like you. Hey, I really like you. Hey, you know what? This is called advertising. इसको हम skip video करते हैं, next दबाते हैं. So this is the second lesson for us. Don't become irritating. Don't say the same thing 5 times. Wherever, whether through your portfolio. तो अगर मुझे पता चल गया कि आपको रीइमेजिनिंग और रीपर्पसिंग पसंद है, आपको ये चीज मुझे बार-बार नहीं बोलने की जरूरत अपने पोर्टफोलियो में. अगर मुझे पता लग गया तनीषा आप कोल्हापुर से हो, कोल्हापुर की वो स्टोरी आपने बता दी, बार-बार नहीं बतानी. कई लोग वो 10-10 बार सेम चीजें बताते हैं. तो एडवर्टाइजिंग इज ऑलवेज इरिटेटिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. सो नेवर ओवरसेल. नेवर. बट एडवर्टाइजिंग का एक फायदा होता है, लोग याद रह जाते हैं. पेप्सी एक ब्रांड है, पता है क्योंकि हर जगह पेप्सी पेप्सी. जियो 3 साल पहले कुछ नहीं था, अभी हर जगह जियो लिखा हुआ दिखता है. बट यू नो केस नंबर 4, the guy is here, the girl is here. There's another girl who's the guy's friend. She goes to this girl and she says, hi, you're very pretty, you're very sweet. You know, I have a friend. He's also very handsome and very intelligent. I think you guys will make a great couple. Do you want to talk to him? Now this is called PR. This is called public relations. So ये कब होता है? When Girija will put a social media पे अपना post डाल देगी and she like, I repurposed my grandmother's achar box into this planter. And then there's some Facebook friend of Girija somewhere called Isha. And Isha knows somebody who's looking for a project in repurposing. Now Isha remembers that Girija ऐसा कुछ करती है. And Isha says, hey, you should check out Girija. उसका काम बहुत सही है. And that's how she connects. This is called public relations. How do public relations work? When other people know about what you do. So you have to be consistently putting your work out there to the right people, right? That's better. And the fourth case is when the guy is standing here, the girl walks to the guy and says, hey, I like you. Would you like to talk to me? This is called a brand. And when अभी मैं ज्यादा heavy नहीं जाऊंगा brand के ज्ञान में, because अभी आप 5-6 साल दूर हो उस चीज से, और उसके अंदर बड़ी interesting चीजें होती हैं. जैसे कई सारे लोगों को लगता है कि कैफे कॉफी डे इज इन द बिजनेस ऑफ, व्हाट बिजनेस इज कैफे कॉफी डे इन? कैन समबडी टेल मी व्हाट इज द बिजनेस ऑफ कैफे कॉफी डे? गिरिजा, यू आर ऑन म्यूट.
I didn't get the question.
हाँ, सो कैफे कॉफी डे क्या करता है? कैफे कॉफी डे किस बिजनेस में है? व्हाट्स द बिजनेस ऑफ कैफे कॉफी डे? सीसीडी.
Coffee, serving a cup of coffee.
सर्विंग अ कप ऑफ कॉफी. यही गड़बड़ है. हमें लगता है कि कैफे कॉफी डे इज इन द बिजनेस ऑफ सर्विंग अ कप ऑफ कॉफी. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू नो. दैट इज द व्हाट. इसको समझो. कॉफी इज द व्हाट दैट दे आर सेलिंग. पीपल डोंट गो टू सीसीडी फॉर कॉफी. People go to CCD to sit with their friends and talk. That is the why of Cafe Coffee Day. Youngsters do not have a place to chill. That is the truth. And Cafe Coffee Day is the answer. अब फ्री में थोड़ी बिठाएगा, वहां बैठोगे तो कॉफी पियो. That's how they are making money. Nobody is going, अरे कॉफी पीनी है, let's go to cafe कॉफी पीनी है. No, they're like यार कहीं बैठ के गप्पे मारने हैं, स्टोरी टेलिंग करनी है, बिचिंग करनी है, गॉसिपिंग करनी है. तो कहाँ बैठे? अरे सीसीडी चलते हैं, सीसीडी. So when you know what business you are in, Girija, you will know that you are in the business of conscious consumption. Architecture is a means to that. Graphic design is a means to that. Graphic design is the coffee, but you're not in the business of coffee. You're in the business of conscious consumption. When you know that, whatever you do, it will lead back to conscious consumption. तो कोई भी consciously चीजों को consume करना चाहता है, तो they will come to you and see, यार मेरी पुरानी चेयर ऐसा कुछ कर दो, मैं फेंकना नहीं चाहता इसको. And you will get a project. So, what is the emotional truth that Cafe Coffee Day is based on? That youngsters do not have a place to chill. Do you know what is the emotional truth of Starbucks? What is the business Starbucks is in? Batao, real?
Status.
Status? Okay. Arya?
Sir, premium experience.
Premium experience. Shreya?
Free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi. Okay, great. Very interesting. So, Starbucks is based on this emotional truth that people want to work in a place that feels like home. People don't want to work in a place that is so much like an office. So they want to do their meetings in a place that feels more casual. And how do you make them feel that they are at home? You write their name on the cup. So they start owning it. मैं घर के कप पे अपना नाम लिखता हूँ ना, कोई कैफे के कप पे मेरा नाम लिखते हैं तो मतलब वो मेरा हो गया जगह. So you make people feel at home in their office space, in their social space. So this is the emotional truth. So जब youngsters want to chill, they go to CCD. But when people want to do their meetings, they go to Starbucks. When people want to sit and work with Wi-Fi, they go to Starbucks. और आपके घर पे आपको कोई उठा के नहीं भगाता अगर आप कॉफी नहीं पीते. Starbucks will not push you. Now, incidentally, Starbucks is also selling coffee. CCD is also selling coffee. But imagine if they would tell you, I am a coffee maker and I sell coffee. I am a coffee maker and I sell coffee. आपको समझ ही नहीं आता क्या करूं? कॉफी नहीं पीनी यार मुझे. But incidentally, I'm sitting and like, okay, I'll take a coffee. I'll even put it on Instagram. Now, I won't realize it. It might come across as I'm flaunting my story of drinking a coffee. No. What I'm actually feeling is that I was working today. I had a great day at work with my Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi, like Shreya said. And I was, like Priyal said, I had the status feeling that I'm working from a place that feels so casual and nice. That is what I'm buying into. The why, the emotional truth. There was a company called Kodak in the early 2000s. They had this thing called Kodak Moment. The Kodak camera, they used to make cameras. And they thought that they were in the business of cameras. That's why they became obsolete when cameras became obsolete. If they knew that they were in the business of helping people capturing their memories, they would have been what Instagram is today. They could have started an app called Kodak Memories and the entire world would have used it. But they thought they're selling cameras. That's the same issue with us. We think we are graphic designers, product designers, artists, architects. No, that is a label that we are using. There's something more to us. That is what you have to figure out. What is unique to you? Let me ask this question now to Sai. Sai, what business do you think Shah Rukh Khan is in?
Charming people.
Charming people. Wasima, what business do you think Salman Khan is in? Or tell me what business is Bollywood into? क्या करता क्या है Bollywood? Wasima?
Entertain, like chilling out with some movies.
Sorry, I can't hear Wasima. Bhargavi, what do you think Amir Khan does? What business is Amir Khan in?
Entertaining people.
Entertaining people. ठीक है, अभी बोला entertainment. Bollywood, entertainment. But within entertainment, there's so much more. You know what is the real business of Bollywood? Do you want to know? Bollywood is in the business of escape. The emotional truth is that people want to escape the reality. बहुत बोरिंग है. सुबह जाओ ऑफिस, ट्रैफिक में फंस के शाम को आओ, रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी. चल यार एक पिक्चर देखने चलते. Hey, let's go for a movie yaar this weekend. Now I am in the business of escape. I want you to escape your reality, and so if I show you an escape for only 1 hour, you will be like, क्या छोटा सा escape दिखाया. So Bollywood movies are 3 hours long because people are escaping reality for 3 hours. Makes sense? And that's why it can be completely unreal, but it's fine. गाने आ रहे हैं, हवा में उड़ रहे हैं लोग, ऐसे गोली हो रही है, 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड. It's fine. People are watching because they're escaping. But within this, they know who are they talking to. So if there's a hero, वो पहला scene आता है and he takes off his shirt. Who is it? Shahrukh Khan, Salman Khan या Amir Khan?
Salman.
Salman Khan.
Wow, you are right. You know why? Because that is the audience he's talking to. He's talking to young women and guys who want to be like him, all strong and macho. You know? But there's another, Shah Rukh Khan or Amir Khan or Salman Khan, there's another guy who takes up a social issue and who creates an escape for you in a social world. He does something meaningful. He passes a nice message to you. Who's that person?
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar.
अरे अक्षय कुमार है ही नहीं इसमें. शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, आमिर खान.
Amir Khan.
आमिर खान. तो वो कैसे पता है? इतने इंटेलिजेंट. Amir Khan, because Amir Khan is talking to that kind of customer. वो उसका भाई है. But there's one guy जो जाता है फिल्म में, he dances with the girl, he dances with the girl's mother, चाची, बुआ, ताई जी, जाने सबके साथ नाच रहे हैं. वो कौन है?
शाहरुख खान.
तो मुझे पता है, शाहरुख खान. Correct. That is Shahrukh Khan's brand. So now when you look at it, it's very different. So now young girls and young guys are looking for an escape in a world where they can feel more macho and they can feel more attracted. They go to Salman Khan. That is the truth. Okay? Young people are looking for a purpose in life and they want to escape to a space where they feel, oh, they can do something good. They go to Amir Khan. Families are looking for an escape together. They go to Shah Rukh Khan. If Shah Rukh Khan tries to make a film like RA1, Superman, Macho, it fails. That's not his brand. But when Shah Rukh Khan knows he's in the business of keeping the family happy, तो उसको पता है मैं तो अंबानी की शादी पे जाके नाच के आऊंगा तो भी I will make 5 crores. Because बुआ जी, चाची जी, ताई जी, everybody wants to dance with me. So you have to know what business are you in. What is your emotional truth? गिरजा को मजा किसमें आ रहा था कि जब मैंने repurpose की चीजें. So I'll take one more example with one of you all right now to help you figure out what is the real joy that you derive from. Then you will be able to make meaningful output of it. So Shakti se पूछते हैं. Shakti, what do you do?
I am a goalkeeper. I play hockey, and I really enjoy doing that. And I like painting and drawing. Like not so much into drawing, but I like to do something more physical.
Goalkeeper क्यों बने आप? Because you were strong? Because you were
No problem. I'm like the thinnest person in the team, so people don't think I'm the goalkeeper. But I don't know. It was a different. Actually it was very random that I became a goalkeeper, but eventually I started enjoying it so much that I got into it, and now I'm like that's like the best escape for me. Like even more than Netflix, that is a better escape for me.
So when you go and play hockey and you're goalkeeping, first thing first, there's only one goalkeeper in the entire team, right?
Yeah.
There are many attackers, many defense. So you're unique. You're the goalkeeper.
Yeah.
And secondly, a lot rests on the goalkeeper. If you miss it, तो goal हो जाएगा सामने से.
Yeah.
So you're very important in that system, right? And you are at the back end of the story. You're not going front forward or goal करके आ रहे हो. You are saving the game.
Yeah.
You're going to save the day, you know? So that is what you love doing. Okay, great. And you said you love painting.
Yeah.
What do you like to paint?
Nothing really. I tried, like in the middle I was trying to do something different, like something abstract, but then I realized that that's not really my thing somewhere. So I went into simple drawings first, which I enjoy doing.
Do you like to paint alone or do you like to paint with like 2-3 friends sitting together? What would you prefer?
I would like painting with 2-3 friends sitting together, but unfortunately my friends don't like painting.
Don't worry. But if you had friends who love painting, would you love sitting together and painting?
Yeah, I would love. I like to socialize.
Because you're a sportsman, you're a team player.
Yeah.
You like people. Is it right?
Yeah.
You like people. You're partly extrovert, partly probably ambivert. But
yeah.
you're front facing that way, right? You love people as well. You love to do things together.
Yeah.
So here is where I'm getting to know more about you. That you love to do things with people. You would love to be a part of a team and do things, but pick up your own role as well and say, hey, this
Yeah.
is what I'm going to do. So Shakti,
Yeah.
what are you doing these days? Are you studying in school or what are you doing?
No, I am in 11th grade, so we haven't got our colleges yet, but I've started studying a bit for I've taken arts. So
Okay. And in future, you want to pursue design as a career?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Do you know what element of design, what discipline?
Not really, but I really enjoy doing all the things in that field, like in the creative field.
In the creative field.
Yeah.
And what is also important, Shakti, is that you enjoy doing things together.
Yeah,
And the
I
world
like to
needs more
I like to
together.
work as a team.
Yeah, you like to work together. So that is something that you have to build. That will make you unique.
Yeah.
So you want to go to a space where there are more creative people because your friends are not creative.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
That's why you want to go there.
Yeah.
Is it true?
Very
It's
true.
already unique. यार मुझे आपके कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए बिकॉज मेरे सारे दोस्तों को कोई ड्राइंग करनी नहीं आती, कुछ नहीं आता, मैं ड्राइंग बनाती हूँ, बोलते थे वो कितनी सुंदर चिड़िया बनाई है, मैं तो देखती हूँ इतनी गंदी चिड़िया है, आई डोंट इवन लाइक इट, आई एम फेड अप, आई वांट टू गो देयर. But my hockey team was nice. They love playing hockey. So I am looking for that togetherness and creativity.
Yeah.
So I believe that creativity is creativity gives you joy and you can do things together and make the world a better place, for example. So in your project, I want to see a group project. And you will excel at it. You will play your goalkeeper part, but you will also let other people do their job and together you will make something.
Yeah.
So before you go for a portfolio, figure out 3 or 4 people, come together and make something. Make an installation, make a piece of art, make whatever creative thing you have to do, but it comes naturally to you. You've been playing hockey, you love it, and you will play your part well as well. And in that project, show that how when you came together, then only this could happen. And that's why you want to come to a design school, because you will meet more creative people around you. And then I know that, yeah, that comes naturally to her. So, yeah. So, and what are people all about? People are all about differences. They're all unique, but they come together and they make 1 + 1 = 11. That's what you know. I'm not digging deep, but I'm telling you that is the zone right now.
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Very true. Yeah, very true.
Tell me 2 other things that you love doing. You said painting, hockey.
I like to cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
You
to
like to cook for people, like with guests.
Yeah, for people.
So you would also be great in design or art for people or design for empathy.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so figuring out somebody their core issue and doing it for them.
Yeah, I like doing that.
Yeah, so you are going to be a great problem solver. You pick up a problem, you figure out इसको क्या चाहिए exactly और उसको create करके दे दिया. And that's an empath, right? That's I'm doing it for you. आप जाके आगे खेल लो, I will do the goalkeeping. It's fine.
Yeah.
आप बैठो मैं चाय बना के लाती हूँ. It's fine. You know, so you're putting the other person first. You're also in that servitude.
Always.
So you're also in that servitude, you know. So you will want to make the world a better place through your skill sets.
Yeah, through my skill set.
Okay. अच्छा एक game खेलते हैं. I think we have already gone overboard time. Is there any question you guys have, or should we finish the thing with the last game? Does anybody want to ask anything? Anisha, you haven't spoken. You want to say anything? You can also say no.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm Shakti here again.
Yeah, Shakti.
I wanted to ask, so sometimes I come across stuff like when I'm doing something, I'm just too scared to actually do it. I don't know why, but it is just a mindset that what if it doesn't turn out good?
I'll tell you why. The reason is, and I've read this book called The Artist's Way. You must read this. It's by Julia Cameron. And she says that the society always shames people. And it does it to us so many times that on multiple times we do it to ourselves. Even before we start doing something, we are like, galat ho gaya to, we put ourselves through this fear and shame. And that shame stops us from even trying something.
Yeah.
So the first point for you to notice is that as a creative person, creativity is its own reward. The outcome is not as important. Of course, it can be beautiful. It will become better when you start putting your skills to it. It will get even better. But the idea that you picked up a brush and a paintbrush and paint and some canvas and you started, you already start feeling a certain emotion, right? You have to just
Yeah.
continue with that emotion. The block that comes of shame is सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. It's like, what is my mother going to say? सारा गंदा कर दिया, क्या बनाया है? What is my father going to say? So that's why this is the painting I made that people love. They're like, wow, amazing, this, that. But this is also a painting I made, which is not so good. But this is also me. I don't shy away from showing this part. This is me. Now, while I was painting, I was also judging, feeling like, यार ये तो इतनी अच्छी पेंटिंग बनाई थी, अब तो मेरा लेवल ऐसा हो गया है, इससे कम तो नहीं होना चाहिए, तो फिर ये क्या है, you know? But then I talked to myself like, I was not painting to get validated by 5 people. I was not painting. So this pressure of creative people also is that you have to be a certain level. Forget the level for a second. It's again a label. So if you want to try something new, there's a Japanese philosophy which says if you are unable to do it for 1 minute. It will feel easier. And when you're doing it for 1 minute, automatically you will end up doing it for 5 minutes. Automatically you will end up doing for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So if I should do more exercise because I've gained weight in the lockdown, and if I don't feel like exercising, I should tell myself, do exercise for 1 minute. So when I make that effort of going out and starting something, apne aap ho jayega baki. But Shakti, with you, I think what could also work is doing things together. So your push could also come from your friends who support you, whom you support. So a lot of us need that because, yeah, you know, remember this, guys, environment is stronger than willpower. Then comes a day when your willpower becomes stronger than environment. But before that, if your parents are supportive, if your friends are supportive, that really helps. So you need to find an environment where you are supported. And that's why they say find your tribe. That's why you want to do your bachelor's and master's in design, because you want to find creative people around you. So they will inspire you. So Shakti, that is also one thing that would solve for this. Yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Any other questions?
So can I ask something?
Who's that?
Tanisha.
Pucho, Tanisha.
Sir, what got you into NID?
Interview time shuru ho gaya. Okay. So I did my bachelor's in information technology and I did BTech because there was a good cricket ground in that college. I used to play cricket and I only wanted to play cricket. And my parents said, "Arey, cricket se kuch nahi hota hai." Tab to IPL bhi nahi aaya tha. So you just go and do some course. So I saw this college and there was this cricket ground. So I went and did BTech. और फिर मुझे बीच में रियलाइज होना शुरू हुआ, जो शक्ति को, प्रियल को, आप सबको भी रियलाइज हुआ, आई एम नॉट मेंट फॉर दिस, आई एम मेंट फॉर समथिंग एल्स. एंड देन अ फ्रेंड हैड गॉटन थ्रू NID and some people had said NID चले जाओ, National Institute of Design, this that, and anything I would draw ना, वो जो एग्जाम के पेपर या इधर उधर जब आता नहीं ना कुछ, तो I would just draw something there. And in my diary there were so many scribbles, doodles, and my friends used to say, "Oh yeah, you draw really well. You draw really well in engineering." I used to think I'm some artist. And then I just applied for NID because somebody had said, "Oh, तुम्हारा हो जाएगा वो," and मुझे भी लगा मुझे इधर ये चीज तो नहीं करनी. It was by elimination. And I went to give a studio test. So I got selected for interview. I went to NID, and there were such creative people there. Oh my God, they were painting. They were doing so many things. I didn't know how to paint. I didn't know how to sketch. I didn't know anything. And I felt मुझे तो कुछ नहीं आता यार इनके सामने, मेरा तो हो ही नहीं सकता NID. But I think what worked for me was what I'm sharing with you all. When I went for the interview, I was very authentic. I shared about my life's journey. I had been in the Commonwealth Games Association. I had worked as a volunteer there. They were very interested to know about that part of me, because that told them about my humanity, my truth, my authenticity. They at NID, they don't want you to be super talented. They want you to be super moldable. They want you to be passionate and driven so that they can mold you to something that they want to teach you. So you should not go with the thing that I'm the boss. You should go with the thing that there has to be this humble behavior, right? That I'm ready to change, I'm ready to learn. So if you have that ability to learn, and I think that's what they saw in me, that hunger, कि जहाँ पे वहाँ खुश तो नहीं है, and he wants to do something. And there was, in my portfolio, there was work that was very exploratory in terms of product design. And I applied for product design. So in my engineering, we're doing some coding project, but I was working on augmented reality and so on and so forth that time. So they really like that part as well. So your story has to then match with your projects. So that elimination of being bored with the normal life took me to NID. Why did they choose me? I think part of the reason is beyond my skill set, that they found authenticity in what I was offering. And then in NID, I changed a lot. In NID, then I started really working hard, which I never used to do in engineering. In NID, I started really sitting and for hours sketching and designing products and this and that. So in fact, in the last 5 years, we have worked with Disney, we have worked with Samsung, we have worked with Google, we have worked with Amir Khan's Pani Foundation, we have worked with Borosil, we have worked with Hamleys, we design toys. So we've recently, one of our patent toys is in UK, Hamleys top 20 of this year's Christmas. And in fact, there are games I can show you. This game prototypes are coming. So we are redefining snakes and ladders. Here are some games. We are creating new games like Knockout. We're reinventing Brain Vita. So there's a lot more like, so I'm having fun. That's my space. Right? I love having fun. I love playing games. I love magic. I love art. I love everything. So I'm busy playing. That is my branding. So if you want to play, you would love to hang out with me. So if there's a company that is in this space, they will love to work with me. So this is where I stand. But I also love people. So I run a brand called Fluid, where we have events in music, poetry, art, storytelling, dance, magic. Do you want to see one last magic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Guys, okay, look at my hands. I'm not going to do anything. Okay. Arya, take out a deck from your pocket. Deck of playing cards. Just act. Asli deck nahi, just act. And Arya, give that deck to Shakti. Okay, Shakti, pull out the cards. Shuffle them up. And now open them out towards Wasima. Okay, Wasima, pull out any card. Okay. Now, Wasima has taken one card. Wasima, please unmute yourself. And Wasima, please tell us, which number do you see on this card?
8.
8. Now give this card to Girija. Girija, please unmute yourself and tell us, which color is the 8? Red or black?
Red.
Red. Okay, Girija, please pass it to Shreya now. Now, Shreya, you are holding this card, which is 8 and red. But is it diamonds or hearts?
Heart.
8 of hearts. Now, Shreya, I want you to give that card to Priyal. Priyal, do you like the 8 of hearts, or do you want to change this to any other card?
I would like to change it to, I don't know the exact English name. It is called Ispik in Marathi.
Spades.
Spade. Yeah, spades. Sorry, spades.
So 8 of spades?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. So Priyal, hold this 8 of spades now and put it back. Shakti is holding all the cards. Shakti, open the cards. Priyal, before you put the card, make it opposite. Ulta karke dal. Great. Now Shakti, put the deck back. 8 of spades, guys, is facing upar. All the cards are facing niche. Correct, Priyal?
Yes, sir.
Now, you all did not plan this with me. You're meeting me for the first time. Somebody said 8, somebody said red, somebody said hearts. Then Priyal changed it to 8 of spades. So what Wasima did, what Girija did, what Shreya did, came together and Priyal did a tweak on it and now she's given it to Shakti. There is no way on the planet that I could know that you are going to select 8 of spades. Right, Shakti? Okay, now give me the deck. So guys, before I started now, I put a deck here. You see this? This is a deck, which I'm going to open and show you. And I'm going to start opening these cards out for you. And you will see that these cards that are opening out, they're all facing you, except one card. Except one card in this, which is facing me. And that card is the 8 of spades.
Are you the 5th horseman?
Yes, he is.
This is a trick I made for Zoom call, especially because I realized lockdown. How can you show something that when your people are not in front of you and they'll feel isme kuch camera trick? Do you like it?
Loved it.
Yes.
Okay, so here's the thing. We don't have time today. I will have to make a move. Thanks a lot to Vishal Sawant, my very, very good friend and colleague from NID. And thanks a lot for all of you to give me time. And if you need any help, any guidance, any discussions, you can feel free to reach out to me in any way you prefer. I'm on LinkedIn, I'm on Instagram, I'm on email. I'll put in my email as well here. You can check me out. We'll take maybe one or two last questions and then we'll finish it. Any questions?
Sir, I have a question.
Pucho?
Sir, even I've completed my engineering, computer engineering recently, and I want to apply for UI UX or interaction design to be specific for masters.
Okay, 1 second. Can you please tell me your name? I don't see you on the screen. Who's talking?
Tanvi.
Tanvi, I don't see you. Are you with your video off?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Go on, Tanvi.
Sir, so how did you use your information technology projects as something to show for your interview?
For you, it's very simple. You are already in information technology, which is closely connected to UI UX, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you need to learn is what is called ERAF. Search about it. ERAF diagram by 101 Design Methods book.
Okay.
So it's entity, relationship, attribute, and flow. Just learn this diagram. It will help you a lot for your portfolio. So what you do in classes, right? In Java or C++, you make classes, object-oriented programming. That's the same thing called entities in design, ERAF. They have relationships with each other and they have a flow. So you need to use this language and you need to curate your project accordingly. Okay. And you need to also say, why are you moving? Yeah.
So in the portfolio that is expected or that I should be presenting, should I also have a UI UX related project? Or
Firstly, do not fall in the trap of any template. Be authentic. What you love doing needs to come out. UI UX is the byproduct. Do not put a project because people are looking for a UI UX project. No. Do not be scared. This question is out of fear. So I understand there's a lot of competition. I understand that a lot of people are doing things, and I understand people tell you put 5 things in the menu. अरे तुम्हारे यहाँ पे पकौड़े नहीं मिलते? आजकल तो सबको पकौड़े खाने हैं. अपने मेन्यू में पकौड़े भी लिख दो. नहीं, बट अगर मेरे को नहीं आते, मैं शेफ हूँ, मुझे जो पसंद है मैं वो करूँगा. Now, obviously, if you are wanting to go to UI UX in terms of your masters, then I, as an interviewer, would be looking for something in UI UX that you love doing. But figure out what is that aspect of UI UX. It's huge. UI is interface design. And UX is completely experience driven, research driven, understanding of nuances of service design. So in terms of overlaps of IT and this, there will be a lot of overlaps. But what part of UI UX do you want to do? Focus on just that. And I will understand that. And never say, sir, I have a UI UX project. No. Talk about what is in the project. So if you have designed something for helping blind people in railways, talk about that. And let UI UX be the obvious byproduct of it. So let it come out as, oh, by the way, we solved it using an app, but we were doing something for, let's say, old people in railway stations in India, for example. Or you could say, I did something for young people in new cities who are away from their parents, and here I designed something for them. So make it about the consumer, make it about the why. Do not make it about the category. Never go out and say, here's a product design project, here is a UI UX project. That is evident to people who are watching. Make it about the consumer, make it about the user, making it about the real juice, the verb of it. Make sense? Does it make sense?
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Last question. Last 1 minute.
So what was the book you told about artist?
The Artist Way by Julia Cameron. I'll write. The Artist Way by Julia Cameron. It has got 12 weeks of exercises. Follow those up. If you have any questions, just you can write to me. ठीक है. So